Today we're gonna have a quick jawline sculpting routine. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize your skin. First move is lymphatic drainage on the neck. Move downwards from the ears on the sides of your neck slowly for 10 times. Then go to the middle of your neck and start massaging with your hands upwards to the double chin area. Keep doing this for 10 times. For the next move, pinch your chin and move upwards to your ears from the chin while sliding with your thumb on the double chin area and below your jawline. Keep doing this for 10 times. Then start to massage and move outwards with your knuckles under your jawline and slowly move up towards your ears and repeat the same moves. And then go to the other side. With this move, we are moving the fat in the double chin area towards our lymph nodes, which are located in the ear area and the sides of our neck. Keep doing this for 5 to 10 seconds on each side. For the next move, pinch your skin from the chin and move upwards to the ears slowly and smoothly. Keep doing this lightly. This move will sculpt your jawline and also lift the jowls and sagging skin. Keep doing this for 5 times on each side. Then come to your chin and start massaging downwards for 10 to 15 seconds. This move will sharpen your chin and give you a nice V-shaped jawline. So this was it for today's quick but effective routine. Hope it was helpful. See you in next video. Bye!